It's really cold outside.
I need subtitles for all that.
Show you the new kittens.
State of our living room.
Craig had one too many. It's curtains for you.
Situation here. Now we have to name them.
So.
Uh-oh, wait. Did it pause the audio?
No, it didn't. You're fine. So, last night I was out drinking for the Scotland v England game. Craig had one too many beers, so I've gotten Alexis driving this van so we can go hire a cement mixer to fill the hole in the living room. So poor Alexis is driving a great big van.
It's terrifying. But I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay.
She's actually near that bad, considering the size of it. Controls are easy enough, manual, stick shift, blah blah. But
it's not bad. But I'm terrified about like the tight turns.
In a quarter of a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Big van. But she's really surprising me how
second exit. So that's not this lane.
No, you have to, basically going straight onto this roundabout.
Scary. I just picture us tipping over.
Nah, you'll never tip this thing over. She's seen the way I was driving this van home yesterday to get to...
Well, if it was anything like the way you were driving the car, I can visualize that completely.
Yeah. So do you think you're going to make a courier driver, delivery man, delivery woman, delivery person?
No.
No?
No.
Not even close?
No.
Postman, postwoman, post lady, post person?
No.
No?
No. This is like an occasional situation here.
Once in a blue moon?
Yeah. Whenever you've just had a bit too much the night before.
I party too hard.
Yeah. You have to explain though why it's such a big deal, because in America it's not such a big deal driving the next day.
So in Britain and Scotland, especially Scotland, they have really strict you should be in this lane.
I should?
You shouldn't be.
Well,
because the lane's closed. The lane's closed for...
That's closed.
No, that's a bus lane. You can't go in bus lanes. Yes, in Britain, especially Scotland, we've got really tight drink drive laws. It's basically if you have a pint of beer, that's you over the limit. So the next morning, it's not even worth risking your license because it's a pain in the ass.
Especially a day after a night like last night.
So I had quite a lot to drink, so you could get you could probably look into getting home testing kits. You got second exit on this roundabout. So it's really not worth you losing your license. I know plenty of guys who went out the night before, didn't drunk a reasonable amount, and they felt fine the next morning, but they got caught out by the drink drive the next morning, and they lose their license, and then they'll potentially could lose their job. So it's not worth it. Just not even chancing it with one is bad enough.
And you know the cops are going to be out today.
Oh, exactly. The local Gestapo, they'll be out in force today trying to catch folk out, especially because Scotland played out their skins last night and managed to get a draw. For Scotland, that's a win. Because England, they're a hell of a lot better than Scotland is, but Scotland certainly played at their skins last night, so it's a win. So yeah, the police will be waiting in the back of the bushes, waiting to catch anybody.
Okay, so we're back at the farm and I'll show you what our jobs are today. Right, so this is the state of our living room. And today we are going to empty it and get started doing up this room. As you can see, we have a lot to do, but luckily because Craig is feeling a bit rough, he is just gonna help me tidy today and clear out this room, and then he'll get back to his like actual joinery things tomorrow when he's feeling a bit better. So, yay, I get help.
It's curtains for you.
I don't get it.
It's curtains.
But what's the...
It's curtains.
Yes, I know those are
Curtains as in you're gonna die.
I've never heard that before.
It's curtains for you.
The door's locked. We have tidied up a lot in here. All that's left are the things we need to fill that hole and cover that hole and get things going. So I am very happy with the end result. Okay, so some new cats arrived from the Cat Protection League. Oh, I'm sorry, it's windy. I'm going to show you the new kittens. Craig? Oh. I'm coming. Where are they?
Watch your feet using cat poo-poos.
Yeah.
What's the...
I see it. Okay. There's this one. Hello.
Cat Protection League dropped them off.
Hello.
They're not happy.
No, but they'll be happy soon. Oh, they're so cute.
I like that one.
That one's your favorite? Oh, look at them. Now we have to name them.
That's your job.
Okay.
What's your names?
Well, so far, this one, it's like, she's like the color of the inside of that fruit, Mamosillos.
Okay.
Remember?
Huh?
So we're gonna call her Mamosillo.
Mamosillo.
Well, is that a boy or a girl? Do we know?
I don't know.
Well,
I think they've all been fixed, so...
Well, it's Mamosillo. I don't know about the other ones, though. That one's really pretty. You're a cutie. Right, we'll have to think of names for you and for you. Okay, so now we are fitting the door for the downstairs bathroom. Right, tell us what you're doing.
Well, I'm scribing the door to the lintel. So I'm just scribing it. I found out the difference from left to right, and I'm scribing it. So okay. I set the offset from the edge of the side of here to the blade and rubber along beside it.
Okay.
And this is one of my new latest purchases.
What is it?
It's a 36 volt Makita battery circular saw.
Alright. This is Scottish home improvement here. So I'm currently outside right now, keeping Craig company while he fits the door. Continues to do this, but it's really cold outside. So I've got his jacket on now. It's keeping me nice and cozy while I keep him company. Hi everybody. I was editing my video and I realized I never actually ended it. That night, the last thing you saw was we were putting the bathroom door on, and we were getting pretty hangry, and we stopped what we were doing and went home for the night. And we went back, and then the next day I went back to fully intending to record and show the finished product, but I've gotten sick. I feel very rotten. Oh, like my throat is very dry no matter how much I drink. Nothing is making the dryness go away, and my sinuses are very plugged. And I have zero energy. So, I will show you guys how far we've come in the next video, because I'm taking today off of doing stuff at the house, but I will be back tomorrow, and I'll take you through the week with me and show you kind of what I'm gonna get onto through the week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully I'm feeling a lot better and I'll be a lot more upbeat in the next one. So thank you all again for watching. It means the world to me. And please don't forget to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, because I'd love to see how many of you are watching all my videos. So I love you all, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I know it's a day late, but I'm still throwing that out there. And Papa, I miss you and I love you every day. See you later. Bye.